Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Guthrie, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Springfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include